Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about can mouse see at night. Now before you continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now mouse can see in the night, but the thing is that they don't see very clearly. They can see the movements of people and everything around us in the surroundings, but it cannot see very clearly. It's like not a very clear vision. So they are almost close to like blind. So you can almost say that they are almost blind, but and they cannot see that very clearly. So they rely on other senses that they have in order to move around in the dark. Now the other senses are really sharp. They use their whiskers to surround to get an idea about their surroundings. They use the smell to get an idea about their surroundings. They use all their senses, and they have also a great sense of hearing. So that allows them to entirely track the environment in a very precise way, in a way that allows them to exactly track where their food is. This ability alone allows the mouse to move around in the dark, because these senses, although they are not completely able to see very clearly, allows them to get a very clear idea about the surroundings. The main important factor over here is that if they are tracking for food, they can precisely track where the food is because of these senses of smell, the senses of the ability to detect the direction, and the ability to sense the surroundings using the other senses that they have. Now if they didn't have these senses, if let's say if one of those senses goes off, it will be very difficult for the mouse to actually locate and move around in the surroundings. Now as you know, mouse lives in an environment where it sometimes becomes quite difficult to move around, and because of that they need a very precise way to actually look around in the surroundings and get a proper idea. So if you leave your mouse in a maze, you will be able to see that they are able to actually get through the maze pretty quickly and very perfectly. And the reason is because they are able to sense the surroundings in such a precise manner that allows them to do it in such proper way, even though they are not able to see it very clearly. Now even we as humans struggle with these things, because we may be able to see things much more clearly than the mouse, but we lack on other fields like the ability to smell, the ability to hear, the ability to sense the vibrations and all these things, and also ability to detect the scent from the air that's coming through it. Now we can detect smell to some extent, we can do all of it to a certain extent, but not to the extent where a mouse can do it. And that's the reason why we are not able to if you're left in a maze, it will be quite difficult for us to locate and get outside of the place. However, for a mouse it's not that difficult. If you keep a food on the other side of the object of a maze, the mouse will be able to track and get through the maze and get to the food. It's because of their extraordinary sense of smell and all these abilities that they have, although they're not able to see very clearly. So their not ability to see doesn't really interfere with them that much. They're able to sense their surroundings and the threat. If let's say if a snake is coming to attack them, they're able to sense that because of that ability, or because of all of these abilities that they have. Even though they are not able to see the snake very clearly, they are able to track where the snake is coming from if they are able to track. But since snakes are also really good at stealth, and the mouse are also not able to detect their movements and not able to detect their presence in many cases. In that way, the snake is able to capture the mouse, but you have to understand that capturing a mouse is not an easy task. They have a really well developed senses. If they sense danger, they will immediately run away. Now, like I said, they are somewhat blind, so this also has some disadvantages, because they are not able to see the surroundings clearly. They are only able to see a very like movements and all these things. They cannot actually identify what object is coming right immediately, even the object is right in front of it. So they have to use the other senses to locate that, although they do it almost instantaneously. But this ability to not see actually gives them a little bit of disadvantages over here. If the mouse had this ability to see things properly, I think they would have one of the most difficult things to catch, because of all of these senses being enhanced to this level. It could have been really difficult to catch a mouse, even for the best predators in the world, like even for the snake, who are really fast and really good at stealth. But even for them, it could have been really difficult to capture a mouse because of these abilities. But fortunately, they don't have this ability, so sometimes they get caught. Even though they are able to sense if the snake is coming through, they are focused on a particular thing, focused on a particular food, and all of the senses get engrossed in that thing mostly. And because of that, they come somewhat left blindsided on from when the snake is coming, and because they cannot see, they cannot move immediately when the snake is striking. Now if on the other hand the eyes were working, they would have been able to do something about that in some cases, if not all. So the success for the mouse will be much higher over here if they were able to see. So yes, they can see, but it's almost like they're almost blind, so you don't really consider that to be a seeing. They just can see the movements and all this and cannot really see the details, so I don't really see that as a very good side. So that's it for this video. I hope you find your answer from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, notification bell. Thank you.